In-floor cleaning heads. Should my in-floor cleaning system shut down when I turn on my water feature?
Based on how the system was designed, it could, depending on the size of the pump, how much water flow is required for your water feature versus how much you need for each of your in-floor jets. The way that I design it, I design our systems to run both at all times. So, and being that we use all variable speed, it allows us to play with the speed up and down, but I like to use the pump for more than one thing. And oftentimes it's in-floor on, water feature off, or if you want water feature on, automatic valves to turn the in-floor off and the water feature on. That would be if you only have so much water, if you don't have an extra water to play with. Most of ours run in-floor at the same time as the basic water features, and then if we need to ramp up the water features, because in our case there's usually a lot of different places that water's coming out of a water feature. When we need a lot more water, that's when we shut the in-floor off. But in terms of circulation, as long as you have enough water flowing through your in-floor system, then that extra water can be used. Or if you can wrap your pump down if you have a variable speed, then you don't need to run it as high and do only the in-floor or do only the water feature. So it really, I'm saying all of this not knowing how your system was designed and how much water flow is required to make it all work. If I did, I would have a really clear answer to that. But they both could be run just fine. It just depends on, do you have enough water flow for it?